Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fajar Nur Juliyanto and I will tell you about my journal review. And I will review journal about the effect of collaborative strategic reading towards student reading skill. So this is the introductions. According to Hutomo, skilled in is capable in completing task, capable and depth. Skilled are for completing assignments or required skills. Speaking, reading, listening, and writing are the skills that the students should be master in learning English language. But in the study, the author choose readings as skill that can make the students better to study about English. Sorry, 2020. It is because the students not really know how to read in English text and feel difficult when interpret the English text. Based on an interview with English teacher in SMP 1 Jogroto in Jombang, East Java, it is found that many students still have problems in reading. When the teacher asks the students to read the English text, they seem to be less motivated, and some other students are found lack of vocabulary. With the result that these situations make them difficult to understand what they are reading. The other problem from the students is fluency. Many students are not fluent in reading. So that's the introductions. So next is the method. The researcher used quasi-experimental design, which is including a pre-test and post-test. The teacher carry out the pre-test before applying the collaborative strategic reading strategy to the students. The sample of this researcher is 1.1i. Population is a generalizations region consisting of object or subjects that have certain qualities and characteristics set by the researchers to study and then withdraw the conclusions. Instruments are tools used to collect data. According to Arikunto, to collect the data, teacher needs the instruments. It's made the teacher easier to know the collaborative strategic reading effective or not towards student reading skill. In this study, there are four those are reading test consists of pre-test and post-test, observations, interview, and questionnaire. And then the next is result and discussions. The complete data is presented in the following table. The test results, post-test English reading skill. The post-test scores had a mean of 180, 81, 81, and 58, and pre-test score had a 64 and 43. The mean of the post-test scores is greater than the pre-test scores. The best hypothesis regarding the effectiveness of using techniques collaborative strategy reading CSR, it is solved by looking the effectiveness weights. This is to find out the effectiveness using collaborative strategic reading towards students' reading ability. Collaborative strategic reading techniques, according to Klinger and Fauch, aims to improve the reading comprehensions, enhance conceptual learning. Based on the result of the study showed that this technique can increase the motivations of the students to be more active and enthusiastic in learning to read English. In addition, this CSR technique is proven to be able to improve the achievement of English reading skill of 8th grade student. And then this is the conclusion, the last. And based on the result of the research and conclusion in discussion can be drawn as follow. There is significant difference between in students reading skill before and after giving the collaborative strategic reading treatment at 1i grade of SMP 1 Jogroto. This is evidenced from the value of preset and post-test in experimental class that after the student applied the collaborative strategic reading treatment, their value in post-test better than the value in pre-test. The use of collaborative strategy reading techniques in learning English reading skill effective in increasing student reading skill at 1A grade of SMP 1 Jogoroto. It's it is proved from the result of pretest and post-test 81 grade of SMP Jogoroto. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.